What is up, guys? Today we are actually at my storage unit and we're going to be grabbing some stuff out of my toolbox, which you guys will see in just 1 minute. And now. Yellow. All right. We've got the old toolbox. I'm going to be installing some stuff on the ZX4R today. Got to find what I need, but we're just going to grab all the ball head sockets. Just going to grab the whole thing because we're not dealing with the whole thing. And I got to get some goo gone, and you'll see why in just a moment. All right, so there was a camera mount on this. I actually picked this up on Marketplace. I think it's a zero gravity double bubble. I picked it up for $30. Shout out that fucking seller. He was super cool. And yeah, but found this on Marketplace, 30 bucks. It had one of these bad boys on it. I needed the goo gone because I managed to get the mount itself off. It was like right here. Managed to get it off. But there was a bunch of like sticky residue on it, so I scraped it all off. And then I had to run to the storage unit because I needed these boys for these boys. And then we can put that on that and it'll be good. All right, so as you can tell, we have all 6 bolts off. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's little grommets underneath here, as you can see. And I'm going to do my best to pull this off, put the stuff on that one, and then put it all back together. I don't know, this is my first time ever doing this, so I wouldn't know. All right, so up on top, there were these 2 grommets, right? And then obviously the threaded side sticks underneath. You just kind of bloop, pull them towards you or out or in or whatever the hell. And they pop right out. And then you have the, oh, I just lost it. Oh no, there it is. And then you have your other grommets here, which I believe the windscreen just slips up into here, stops, and then you have access to all of them. So we're gonna slip that one into that, slide it back in. It pretty much all just slides out. You can see all the wires and stuff back here. And then, yeah, it should be a relatively similar install, I would assume. And we'll get through that in now. All right, there it is, all mocked up. Honestly, I kind of like it. Doesn't look too bad. I've got a little extra behind. I wish it was a little wider, but that's all right. What can I say? It's a $30 deal on Marketplace, and I didn't like the clear anymore, so now we've got that. So sick, dude. I'm gonna get the bolts in and then tighten those down. Should be good to go. All right, we officially have all the bolts in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah, that's where it sits right now. Honestly, I kind of have mixed opinions about it. That once I actually get to riding it, I won't hate it as much as I think I will. But yeah, there she is. And yeah, if you like the video, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.